Hi, I wanted to just make this quick video on how to create the support articles. So you'll go to oei1fortraining.org, and actually this URL is a little long, but just wp-admin will bring you to the login page, enter your credentials, and log yourself in. And your interface may look a little different given I'm an administrator, so I might have some more options over here on the left than you do. What you want to go find is posts, and click on the posts link. And you can see as of right now we just have one that's in here. And so what you would do to create a new article is go here to post and click add new. And what you'll see here at the very top is what our title will be. And so I'll just put our sample title. And as you scroll down, you'll see it's already populated in here is our template of the issue, brief statement, example of issue, standard, example of standard in action, resources to align, and links to related articles. And so what needs to happen here is simply to go in and to populate the correct text. So the important things to remember here is that you really want to strip out any formatting from Word as you bring it in. And so I use a little program called PureText that you can use Notepad, however you want to bring it in here to where you're basically bringing in unformatted text so we don't bring in a whole bunch of gunk in here. So you want to cleanly paste your text into here. You know, an alternative too, if you're familiar with HTML, is to go into the text editor, and you can always then come into where the code's at and paste your text in here as plain text, and then flip back over, and that'll also clean out any formatting from Word. Either way, enter in the text, and then this is why I also asked you to make images out of any graphics that were in your articles so that you can easily insert them here. And so you can go through the process of adding media through this button, and then you can come up here to upload files and upload any files you want, and then down here you can insert them into your post. So you'll go with the title, populate all the pieces, add the images, and then there are some categories I've started over here. So you can see there is one for accessibility, so you can go ahead and click that. And then there's a place for tags down here. So if there's any, you know, key tags for this post, so we can start to track themes, that would be great to put in here. If not, don't worry about this piece and I can come in behind and do that for you. So then when you're ready, you can click preview, and that will give you a nice preview of your post in the context of the site, so you can make sure everything's formatted correctly over here. When you're done, you can just close the preview, and then when you're finished, you'll hit publish, and this guy will finish, and then you'll have your update that your post has been published. And then you can click here to start a new one, or you can go back to posts and start the process over again from this list here by starting back to add new. Okay, thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.